have here Kim Fajardo, Coach Shelby Cafor, Majoy Baron, and Elena Socolego, the PLDT High School leaders who are now in the semifinals. Coach, congratulations on this victory. 5 sets, nilaban din talaga ng team. Ano masasabi mo sa naging performance yun tonight?
Basta ang going to this game, ang pinaka niremind ko lang sa kanila na naalala ko na deserve namin yung situation ngayon na nakaabot kami ng game na to. So, dinaanan namin ng maayos, nagtrabaho kami ng maayos. Yun nga, yung napag-usapan namin nung sa last game na choco na no bearing, nilaban pa rin namin. Kasi gusto namin mapasok yung culture na lahat ng games sinagatrabahuhan. So, yun na yung pinakahugot namin kanina na yun na yung naging preparation namin going to this game. Pero yun nga, masaya na yung composure na hinanap sa amin nung last game namin with Cherry, lumitaw this game. So, down na kami ng 2 sets pero nilaban eh. So, credits talaga sa players. At the same time, credits din sa mga staff namin na nagtrabaho talaga ng maigi.
Thank you, Coach. And for Kim Fajardo, best player of the game with 23 excellent sets. Ano lang siguro yung naging motivation mo heading into this match to help the team get the win?
Motivation yung talaga yung tinabaho namin nila, Coach. Tsaka yung gigil ba? Tapos talaga namin manalo. Tsaka of course yung tiwala sa isa't isa.
Thank you. At Majoy, sa 5th set, ikaw din talaga isa sa mga nagdala sa team into that 5th set. Ano lang din yung mindset mo in that last set na talaga nag-finish mo yung best mo?
Siguro yung pinagugutan ko lang yung experience, not only dun sa buong conference, but also sa buong volleyball career na pag mga ganitong pitpitan, mas masarap maglaro.
Thank you, Majoy. And for Elena, you had 37 points in this game. How does it feel that now the team's finally in the semifinals?
I don't have rules, but of course I'm happy. Today all girls show best game and yes.
Thank you. The first open for question.
For Kim and Majoy, ay alam naman natin yung first conference kinapos yung Kim sa semis. Ngayon natulungan niyo na sila makabalik. Kung ano lang pakiramdam na magsisemis sa Olympic PLDT after a year.
Anong pakiramdam mo sa semis? Masaya kasi, pero hindi ko iniisip na ganun nga na dahil sa addition. Kasi may sistema sila eh. Kami yung pumasok. So kami yung nag-adjust sa system. So thankfully, gumagana naman.
Naka-adjust kami dun sa system ng PLDT and bumagay yung laro namin. And nagtutulong-tulong talaga kami sa training and sa games.
Elena, you had a great duel with Capital today. She had 40, you had 37. So I guess you've been saying that you're ready against any import, no matter who it will be. But how proud of you of your own performance today in a knockout situation?
My focus not handball. My focus my team and game, our game, you know. And we show good volleyball and we win. Doesn't matter handball or another import. So.
And Coach Ralph, pangatlong semis pa lang po doon ng PLDT ever. And may experience po sa pagpanalo ng championships. Ano po yung pinakamahalagang kailangan yung paalala sa team pagdating ng semifinals para ma-all the way nyo?
Siguro yung sa schedule namin ngayon, talagang mental game na nga tulad na nalaro kanina. Kasi going to the next game, 1 day na lang preparation namin. So binabanggit na nga sa kanila going to this game na pag ready kami mentally, tinabaho naman namin ng maayos nga. Tulad na sinabi ko kanina, lalabas at lalabas naman talaga sa laro. So hopefully makarecover kami para by the semis. Kahit isang araw lang pahinga, pa rin, fresh utak ulit, saka lalaro ulit ngayon maayos.
For Coach Lincoln, yung nakaraan Coach sabi niyo, babawi kayo sa laro to, tapos malaking bagay na nakalaban niyo ng Cherry Tigo sa prelims. Siguro rin nakita niyo Coach sa players niyo today na nakatulong na magkatotoo yung sinabi niyo na yun.
Siguro yung kagustuhan talaga eh. Yung kagustuhan na during the game na natalo kami, down 2 sets na kami. Yung kagustuhan nila na napag-usapan na namin tuwing ganong situations, paano kami mag-recover ng mabilis. Siguro mas yun talaga yung pinakadulo nun eh. Saka yun nga, pag hindi kami talaga present during those times, ang dami talaga pwedeng mangyaring ikatanggal ng focus namin. So yung binaon namin na pasensya saka extra effort, siguro yun yung mas nagbunga sa amin ngayon.
And in 2022, you guys fell short of making it into the semifinals. But this time around, you led the team with 37 points. What's your thoughts about the improvement that PLDT has made over the years?
It's another
I don't know. We need, okay, we win now, we're happy, but we have another game. Next day, we need work. We want win medals, and sorry, it's my not correct.
Coach, yung makalaban niyo sa semifinals is Akari, currently unbeaten team. Ano lang siguro yung magiging mindset ng team heading into that game for a spot in the championship?
Siguro, by this time, hindi na nagamato yung record going to that game. Talagang, yun nga, sabi na natin yung pagandahan lang talaga ng gising. Pag nag-click, mag-click, makukuha nyo talaga. Saka, at the same time, siguro hindi naman sa amin mas may pressure. Kasi yung record naman namin, hindi naman perfect eh. So, nandun pa rin kami sa tatrabaho pa rin kami. And, itatry talaga namin i-challenge kung ano naman yung ibigay sa amin.
Thank you.
Yeah, hey!
Thank you po.